90% traders fail, not because trading is hard, but because they don't understand timing. They enter too early or too late. But what if I told you you only need one tool to fix that? In this video, I'll teach you everything about EMA, how it works, how to use it, and most important, how to turn it into a complete trading strategy. Stay till the end because most traders use EMA wrong. Let's simplify trading. Forget complicated indicators, forget confusion. We focus on one thing, EMA, exponential moving average. By the end of this video, you will know what EMA really is, the best EMA settings, how to enter trades correctly, and the biggest mistakes to avoid. Okay, what's EMA? EMA stands for exponential moving average. It tracks the average price of the market, but gives more importance to recent price movement. That means EMA reacts faster than normal moving average. When price moves fast, EMA follow fast. This makes it perfect for trading, especially scalping in intraday. So why EMA is powerful? EMA does three important things. Number one, it shows trend direction. If price is above EMA, market is bullish. If price is below EMA, market is bearish. Number two, it acts as dynamic support and resistance. Number three, it gives entry signals through crossovers in pullbacks. But remember, EMA is not magic. It must be used correctly. Okay traders, so now we will talk about EMA settings. Now let's talk about the best EMA combinations. For fast trading, use 9 EMA in 21 EMA. For intraday trading, use 20 EMA in 50 EMA. And for long-term trading, use 50 EMA in 200 EMA. Always keeps apply to close shift equal to 0. This gives you the most accurate signals. Don't overcomplicate your chart. Simple wins. Now let's talk how to use EMA or entry strategy. Here is where most traders fail. They see EMA crossover and they enter immediately. This is wrong. Instead, follow this. Step 1. Wait for EMA crossover. And step 2. Wait for price to pull back. Step 3. Look for rejection. Then enter. This gives better timing and reduce risk. Never chase the market, let the market comes to you. For a buy trade, EMA cross upward. Price stays above EMA, then price pulls back. You wait. Once you see trend again, that's your entry. Stop loss below the recent low. Take profit at the next resistance. And for a sell setup, EMA crosses downward. price stays below EMA, then price pulls back up. You wait for weakness, then enter the sell. Stop loss above the high and take profit at support. Now let's talk about the biggest mistakes. Let's fix your mistakes. Mistake 1. Trading every crossover. Mistake 2. Ignoring trend. And mistake 3. No patience. Mistake 4. No stop loss. Mistake 5. Over trading. If you fix these, your results will be changed. Want to level up? Combine EMA with support and resistance, liquidity zones, market structures. Trade less but better. Focus on quality setups. Discipline is more important than strategy. Now, you know the EMA the right way, but knowledge is not enough. You need practice, you need patience, and most importantly, you need control. If this helps you, follow for more real trading strategies. Trade smart, not emotional.